Best walking shoes. Are you looking for the best walking shoes? In this video we will look at some of the best walking shoes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Altra Experience Flow 2. Who it's best for? The Altra Experience Flow 2 is perfect for anyone looking for a stable, comfortable shoe that lets you move naturally throughout your day. Its low 4mm heel-to-toe drop and wide toe box allow your feet to step freely, encouraging natural movement without restriction. The responsive EGO P35 midsole foam provides a springy, energetic feel that helps reduce fatigue during long walks or casual strolls. Whether you're navigating indoor spaces, paved paths, or easy trails, this shoe delivers comfort and support from the first step. Tester Arthur McMahon shared, "These Altra shoes are a joy to wear. I've worn them for weeks, and they remain my top choice over every other shoe in my closet." Why we love it? From the moment you slip them on, the Experience Flow 2 feels like an extension of your feet. The roomy toe box lets your toes splay naturally, giving a barefoot-like freedom, while the low heel drop promotes a more grounded walking stance. The EGO P35 foam midsole cushions each step, absorbs impact effortlessly, and adds gentle forward momentum. Additionally, the padded uppers are breathable, supportive, and snug without being tight, making the shoe a well-rounded option for all-day wear. Should you buy it? Absolutely. While the wide toe box and low heel drop may feel unusual for those accustomed to traditional running shoes, these features enhance comfort and foot health. For anyone seeking a reliable, natural-feeling walking shoe, the Altra Experience Flow 2 is a standout choice you'll enjoy every step of the way. Weight: men's 10.5 to 8.79 ounces, women's 6.5 to 6.85 ounces, heel-to-toe drop, 4 mm. Number 2. Ryka Devotion Plus 3 Women's. Who it's best for? The Ryka Devotion Plus 3 is an excellent choice for women who want a comfortable, everyday walking shoe without spending a fortune. Designed specifically for women's feet, these shoes offer a wider forefoot and a narrower heel, which minimizes rubbing and prevents hotspots during long walks. This makes them ideal for fitness walkers, casual strolls, and daily errands. Even if you're skeptical about gender-specific sizing, the fit delivers noticeable comfort and stability, making each step feel supported and natural. Why we love it? After a short break-in, the Devotion Plus 3 quickly proved its comfort and reliability. The contoured cushioning keeps your feet secure while providing soft, responsive support, and the shoes remain easy to slip on even without fully tightening the laces. Our tester shared, "These shoes ended up impressing me. I'll gladly throw these on for my daily walks," highlighting how wearable and convenient they are for regular use. Breathable uppers and a flexible sole contribute to the all-day comfort that walkers crave. Should you buy it? Absolutely. The Ryka Devotion Plus 3 offers excellent value, often retailing for less than half the price of premium walking shoes, and they are also available in wide sizes for extra room. For women seeking a reliable, affordable walking shoe that combines fit, comfort, and functionality, these shoes are a solid choice. Lightweight yet supportive, the Devotion Plus 3 is perfect for daily activity, helping your feet stay happy with every step. Weight: women's 6.5 to 8.01 ounces, heel-to-toe drop, 10 mm. Number 3. Under Armour Charged Assert 10. Who it's best for? The Under Armour Charged Assert 10 is a smart choice for budget-conscious walkers who need a reliable, versatile shoe for short walks, casual outings, or running errands around town. Its breathable design makes it ideal for those with warm feet, ensuring comfort even in hot conditions, as confirmed by both lab tests and real-world use. While perfect for daily casual wear, it's less suited for long-distance walks or individuals who require extra ankle support. Why we love it? This shoe delivers a well-rounded performance at an accessible price. The compression-molded midsole absorbs impact effectively without feeling heavy or cumbersome, creating a balanced walking experience. Testers highlighted its dependable traction, with one noting, "Even on wet surfaces, I felt confident with my footing." The lightweight, breathable mesh upper keeps feet cool and comfortable, while the overall construction shows impressive durability for the price. These features make it an excellent option for those seeking dependable performance without breaking the bank. Should you buy it? Absolutely. For short distance walking and everyday casual wear, the charged Assert 10 offers great value. It does require a short break-in period for maximum comfort, and those needing strong ankle stability or extended walking support might want to explore other options. That said, if you're looking for a durable, breathable, and affordable walking shoe for daily use, this model is a strong contender that won't disappoint. Weight: men's 10.5 to 11.14 ounces, heel-to-toe drop, 10 mm. Number 4. Hoka Clifton 10 Women's. Who it's best for? The Hoka Clifton 10 is perfect for anyone seeking superior cushioning and support for long days on their feet. If you've experienced foot fatigue, ankle soreness, or discomfort from standing or walking on hard surfaces, this shoe provides a reliable solution. Its design is especially well suited for fitness walkers, high-mileage walkers, or professionals who spend extended periods on their feet. With ample shock absorption and stability, it helps reduce strain and fatigue while keeping each step comfortable and natural. Why we love it: from the first moment you slip these shoes on, the comfort is remarkable. Our tester, Becca Glades, said, "When I first put them on, I said wow over and over. It felt like I was standing on pillows specially made for my feet." The Clifton 10 doesn't compromise on stability despite its generous cushioning. The wide base supports the high stack height, providing confidence with every step. During testing, the shoes performed exceptionally well, keeping our team's feet comfortable even during long walks and extended standing periods. Breathable uppers and a responsive midsole make it a joy to wear for hours at a time. Should you buy it? If you're new to max cushion shoes, the stack height may take a few walks to get used to, but the benefits are worth it for those covering long distances or spending the day on their feet. These shoes also work well for casual wear around town. For anyone who values all-day cushioning and support, the Hoka Clifton 10 is an outstanding choice. Weight: women's 6.5 to 8.30 ounces, heel-to-toe drop, 7 mm. Number 5. Hoka Transport Women's. Who it's best for? The Hoka Transport is designed for anyone who spends long periods on their feet or navigates a variety of surfaces. Combining stability and comfort without feeling overly plush, these shoes allow for hours of wear without fatigue. With a durable, capable outsole reminiscent of a hiking shoe, they are ideal for walking on dirt paths, gravel, or other uneven surfaces. Fitness walkers, outdoor enthusiasts, and those who want a reliable shoe for mixed terrain walking will find these a great fit. Why we love it? In testing, the Hoka Transport impressed us with its just right cushioning, enough to keep your feet comfortable, yet firm enough to maintain stability. Lead tester Mallory Page shared, "From the moment I slipped on the Transport, I noticed its departure from Hoka's typically extra plush feel. During my 10,000 step walking test, these shoes provided exceptional comfort without any break-in period." The shoe's design balances support, traction, and responsiveness, making it well suited for varied surfaces while keeping feet protected and fatigue-free. The breathable upper, reliable midsole, and grippy outsole make it versatile enough for indoor, urban, and outdoor walking alike. Should you buy it? While the price may feel high initially, the Transport's durability and long-lasting performance make it worth the investment. We recommend it for nearly anyone looking for a dependable, comfortable walking shoe that can handle different surfaces. Whether your walks take you around town or on outdoor trails, these shoes deliver stability, comfort, and reliability. Weight: men's 10.5 to 11.96 ounces, heel-to-toe drop, 9 mm. Women's 6.5 to 8.92 ounces, heel-to-toe drop, 7 mm.